Fast food joints don't want you to know this. Brilliant idea for using stale bread. In a blender, let's start by adding 2 French-style bread loaves. Next, we'll add 200 milliliters of milk. Folks, you can add more milk if needed to help blend the bread. Now cover and blend well until the bread completely dissolves. This is the perfect consistency. Next, add some chives or parsley if you prefer garlic and half a lemon. Add salt to taste. Cover and blend again until all ingredients are well mixed. And there you have it, folks. Now let's transfer everything to your preferred container. Then refrigerate if you want the green mayo a bit firmer. Look how amazing it turns out. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A tasty green mayo you can enjoy guilt-free. Best part, no excess oil like in fast food, just French bread. I hope you all enjoyed this. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks a bunch.